Hey grill enthusiasts! Patio Productions here with a quick guide to keeping your grill clean, safe, and performing at its best. So let's fire up some cleaning tips. First, grab your cleaning arsenal. A sturdy wire brush, some dish soap and warm water, cleaning cloths, and don't forget those rubber gloves. Before we dive in, make sure your grill is completely cool. Safety first, folks. And if you're working with a gas grill, disconnect that propane tank. Start with the grates. They're your grilling foundation. Give them a good scrub with your wire brush. For tough spots, a mixture of warm water and dish soap works wonders. Now for the inside, scrape away any built-up grease and debris from the walls and bottom. This isn't just about looks, it's about preventing dangerous flare-ups and keeping your food tasting great. Don't forget the outside of your grill. A quick wipe down with soapy water keeps your grill looking sharp. Pay special attention to those control knobs and stainless steel surfaces. And here's a pro tip. Clean your grates after each use while they're still warm, but not hot. And regularly empty that grease tray. Your future self will thank you. Remember to give your grill extra TLC between seasons. A deep clean and proper storage with a quality cover will keep it grilling perfectly year after year. Want to dive deeper into grill maintenance? Check out our comprehensive guide in the description below. And for all your outdoor living needs, visit us at patioproductions.com, where your perfect outdoor space begins. Thanks for watching. Now go enjoy some life outdoors.